Hello, book friends. Today I'll be reading Odd Birds, a book about birds. I love birds. Let's open the book and see what birds we see inside. Here we go. This seabird has a pouch. You see that red pouch? And it's a seabird, meaning that it lives by the sea. This booby has blue feet. Can you believe it? Look how bright those feet are. They're blue. This shoebill's beak is huge. Wow, that is a big, strong beak. Look at that. This ostrich likes the heat. Goodness, do you think that's the desert behind? It looks like it. It loves the heat. This hoatzin smells like poop. What? Like poop. Whoa, that is pretty interesting. This oilbird hunts with sound. Wow, it looks like it's in the dark. And it hunts with sound. This condor's head is bald. It doesn't have any feathers on its head. It's bald. This owl lives underground. You see? There's like a little burrow there. It's like a little cave. And it's just sitting there. I love owls. They're my favorite birds. But since you have no beak and are missing feathers too, perhaps the birds all think the odd one out is you. Maybe so. Look at all the different birds. There goes the owl. And the one that smells like poop. The one that can hunt with sound. The booby with the blue feet. The bald condor, the one with the huge beak, and the ostrich that loves the heat. Here they go in real life. Wow, the one with the pouch. Look at that. It's huge. And they can inflate it into like a balloon. Yes. The male birds can inflate this pouch to attract the females. Very cool. And there goes the booby with the blue feet. Look how blue they are. Oh, and it comes from their fish diet. That makes their feet blue. Isn't that interesting? And here goes a shoebill, and it's a stork. And yes, look at that beak. It's enormous. Wow. And this stork can be nearly 5 feet tall. That's almost as tall as I am. Goodness. Yes. And it uses its sharp, big beak to kill prey. Yes. And here goes a beautiful ostrich who lives in the desert. It thrives in the desert. Yes. And it doesn't really need to drink that much water because they eat plants that have a lot of water in it. Yes. And let's see what else we have. Oh, we have the hoatzin right here. It's the one that smells like poop. And it says that it smells like poop because it takes a long time to digest its food. Oh, okay. And then the stinky smell helps repel predators. So other animals don't want to get near it because it smells like poop. Wow. And here goes the oilbird that finds its way at night. Yes. They make clicking sounds, click, 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 that bounce off other objects. And it creates echoes. And that's how they can hunt for fruit at night and navigate in the dark. It's called echolocation. Wow, very cool. And here goes the bald condor, and it's from California. That's where I live. And yes, it sure is bald. And here goes my favorite, the burrowing owl. It digs a hole, or it sometimes uses other animals' caves that have been abandoned, and that's where they live. And they're very small owls. But look at those eyes. So intense. Oh, and that's the end of Odd Birds. Yay! Clap with me. What an interesting book. Did you learn something? With this book, did you learn about a different bird that you've never heard about? Like the one that smells like poop? Ooh, very, very interesting.